Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my mini homebody dashboard layout, and I'm going to be using the mini homebody stickers. So I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers, but I don't have them laid out on my wax paper like I normally do, because I did have a subscriber mention, and I didn't think about it, but she said that it kind of takes the surprise away whenever I have my stickers laid out on my wax paper as I'm going to put them on my pages. So I'm going to do something a little different this week, and I'm going to use these big boxes that you'll see in the homebody planners or sticker books, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to try this out. So this is going to be something new, and I may struggle a little bit. I'm not quite so sure how this is going to turn out, but I am going to white out these dots because I'm going to put my box up here, and I don't want these, or not dots, but they're circles. I don't want any of this showing through. So I'm just going to lightly white those out. And then these boxes are made to go in these sections on your homebody layout. So you can put them here or here. And I just kind of want to put that up there so that I can put my little quote down here as normal or as usual. So let's see, what do I want to do next? I thought that I could use these little flags under important. And I'm just covering up, I didn't mind covering up the errands box up here because this is my on-the-go planner. So I don't usually put much in the to-do section there. And I'm not quite sure if I'll still use it as to-dos or if I'll change up and write something different in there. But we'll see. I just kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. And I am going to use these florals in here. Let's see. They're not really florals. They're leaves. But I thought it would be cute to use these. So let's see. I think I'm going to try to go in like behind these with a leaf or something. So let me try this. Maybe just kind of put that there. Let's see how this is going to look. I don't know if I should put it behind. I think I'm going to put this sticker behind these little flags. So let's see how this will turn out. All right. Just gonna kind of tuck this behind there just a little bit. So yeah, that's kind of cute. And for down here in my focus section, I think I'm gonna put this homebody little quote that kind of matches, and I'm just gonna try to center it here. I'm not gonna lay it all the way down yet because I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but I thought it would be cute to take these two little boxes and put on the side here. So I am gonna kind of cover up focus on this side. If I can get this one straight. And so then I'll come over here on this side with this one. Come down just a little bit. Maybe I can get them fairly level. That one needs to go up just a little bit. And then I'll center up my homebody in between the two. So yeah, this spread is going to be totally different than what I normally do. Or not totally different, but a different look. Just trying to change up a little bit. And I think I'm just going to tilt this just a tad. So I think that's kind of cute like that. And then I could probably go in maybe with just a couple other of these leaf stickers just to fill in some of that blank in there. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then maybe we'll come from the top with this one, if I can get it off the page. All right. So yeah, that's kind of cute there. There's something under this that's kind of driving me crazy. I don't know what it is. I didn't get it, but anyways. All right, so let's move to the other side. I'm not sure if I'm going to cover this up or not, this to buy, because I do use it as to buy. So I may just leave those like they are since I went ahead and got rid of errands. So let's go to this side. I thought it would be cute to take this little quote sign that says "Sunshine in my soul" and cover up my 2020 up here. And I can still see 2020 behind there. So I'm gonna go ahead and white that out. So let's see. Yeah, that looks much better. Okay. Now, I did pick out a little black box and a gray box. So I'm going to do my usual staggering. But I think I want to put some leaves behind my boxes. So let's grab this. And let's put it behind the gray. Maybe like this. That's crooked. I think I need to come over some with that. That's like too much of the leaves. So I think I'm going to cut this sticker down some. Or maybe I'll just get a smaller one. Let's get a smaller one. This one's smaller, but it's the same sticker. So let's try again. Yeah, that looks better to me. All right, and then I think I'm going to come on this side with some leaves on this sticker. With this sticker. So let's use that sticker that I just peeled up and see how it looks with this black. Yeah, that's cute. I do need to cut a little bit of this edge off. And I got some new scissors. These are so cute. I got this, this pack of scissors at Walmart in the craft department. These scissors are like big and awkward, but they're rose gold and they were pretty, so I had to get them. Not that I needed them, but I thought they were pretty. So anyways, all right, I want to take this weekend at home banner or sticker and put down here on my weekend just to kind of decorate just a tad. And I really don't like this line through it. So I'm going to grab my jelly roll and just go ahead and get rid of that line. And I am having a bunch of trouble here with my Wi-Fi. I use a screen mirroring software so that I can see, like I'm filming with my phone, but so that I can see what I'm filming on my laptop. And it keeps freezing up. So I really hope that this is in screen so that you guys can see it. It's pretty frustrating. So technology is my best friend when it works. I laid that down way too soon. That jelly roll was not dry. And it just squished. So let's try that again. And be patient. Okay. So I'm going to come up here to my dinner plans. And I do use this as dinner plans. But I want to get rid of most of that green that's up there. So I thought this little quote, it says, enjoy moments that make you slow down. And I thought it would just be kind of cute up here, centered, covering up dinner plans, just to bring some of the black in here and get rid of this, most of this green. So yeah, it's a little bit crooked. I'll straighten that up. But I think that looks better than the big green box, because there's no green in my spread here. And I think I just made that worse. Yep. Okay. That's a little better. All right, let's try this jelly roll one more time. Okay. Now, I think that I'm going to call this done. So let's put this back in my planner. And like I said, my screen mirroring, it just completely died on me. So when I put this back in my planner, I hope y'all can see it. It must not be meant for me to film today. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what you guys can see. Okay, so I think that's better. I had to tilt my camera a little bit so that I can actually see the screen. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications when I upload. And this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.